Many years ago, I went for a mammogram, and my medical doctor called me and said there was something suspicious, that I should see a breast doctor. Well, he recommended Dr. Vincent Ancinelli in Plainview, New York. He was my guardian angel. He took a biopsy and he did laser surgery. And I've been seeing him every 3 months, and I am clear. I just went for a mammogram, and I am clear. And on top of it all, my daughter, who was in her 40s, went and did the same thing I did, and she had two suspicious lumps in her left breast. Both of us had the left breast. And she also had the surgery I had, and she's been clean ever since. And this was a while ago. And I recommend highly for this procedure because Dr. Ancinelli saved my life. And I'm grateful to him. He's a wonderful doctor. And everyone should do what I did because it saves many lives.